Hey there, I'm just waiting for a long exposure photo to finish back there, so I thought it'd be really useful just to explain the difference between ND filter numbers and stops. Some ND filters have a stop value, 1 stop, 3 stop, 6 stop, and some ND filters have an ND value such as ND64, and a stop is a halving or doubling of the amount of light. If you want to convert an ND value to the amount of stops that ND filter is going to reduce the amount of light by, there's a really simple trick you can use, and all you've got to remember is one thing, and that's that ND2 is equal to 1 stop. And then every time that ND value doubles, it's an additional stop of light reduction for the ND filter. Start with one finger or thumb representing the ND2 value, and that's 1 stop of light reduction. And then just keep doubling the ND value and adding a finger until you get to the ND value you're trying to work out. So for example, let's say we had an ND64 filter and we wanted to remember how many stops of light that ND64 filter would reduce. So we start with one finger, ND2, ND4, ND8, ND16, ND32 and ND64. So that's 6 fingers and 6 stops. So ND64 is 6 stops of light reduction, and you can carry on after that. ND64 to ND128 is 7 stops. ND128 to 256 is 8 stops. ND256 to 512 is 9 stops, and ND512 to 1024 is 10 stops of light reduction. Sometimes things get a bit weird when you get to those 10 stop filters, and instead of 1024, sometimes you'll just see ND1000 on the filter or on the packaging. And then you can keep going from there. So ND1000 is 10 stops, ND2000 is 11 stops, 4000 12 stops, 8000 13 stops, 16,000 14 stops, 32,000 is 15 stops. So an ND 32,000 would be a 15 stop filter. I'm Jason Roberts. I wish you happy landscapes. Please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.